rainy day. That old conundrum. What to do on a rainy day? Can't go outside, and you don't want to be inside, but you're stuck there. So what are you going to do while you're inside on your rainy day? Fursuit tip of the day. How to have fun when it's raining out. Alright, here's the first thing you can do on the rainy day. Something I like to do is just like pig the fuck out on some cereal. Why cereal? I don't know. It's a good thing to eat on a rainy day. So you get your Bruce Jenner special, the Wheaties. Everyone likes to be a champion. And just pour a bowl. Nice bowl of Wheaties. I don't have any milk. So ginger ale is going to have to work. And then just dig in. It's a rainy day. Who cares? You're getting fat, but it's good for you. They're Wheaties. Okay. The next best thing to do on a rainy day is gather a bunch of like one-player board games. All right, check it out. Here's a couple you can choose from. We got Hoodoo, the game of voodoo and whodunit. Priceless. Probe, the game of anal fucking. It's a family game. Then if you're feeling classy, get a little Rummy Royale. It's a game with you play cards and it's like gin rummy, but somebody winds up getting sacrificed. That's what this one is. Sacrifice. Or, I mean, come on. Pop-O-Matic Trouble. How can you not love Pop-O-Matic Trouble? I mean, it pops. There's a dice in there. Look at that. You see that? That's a dice. Hold on. It's too old. It doesn't work anymore. We're having fun now, though. All right. I'm missing so many pieces. Board games. Another good thing to do on a rainy day, but now I want to do my favorite thing on a rainy day. Let's go check it out. Okay. And now my favorite thing to do on a rainy day, watch some movies you haven't seen in a while. What do we got? Shawshank Redemption, Andy Dufresne. Morgan Freeman. Yeah, alright. That one's a good one. Willy Wonka, the Chocolate Factory. I mean, Augustine, don't drink the river. The chocolate. Yeah. That's part of that movie. And, come on, Secret of M. That's just, Miss Brisby, she's a MILF. I would do this MILF if I was, so inclined. Robin Hood, the 73 Robin Hood, like, look at that. That just looks great. But these movies, we can't watch these movies without popcorn. Let's move without popcorn. Let's make some popcorn. Come on. All right, popcorn time. Get your popcorn of choice. Pop. And lightly saute it until you have popcorn. That's all you got to do. Now, believe me, guys, you got to do something on a rainy day. Because if not, you can go a little nutty. Kind of like this. I told him not to go in there. So enjoy your rainy day. It's fun. Don't go crazy.